Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a zombie ice cream cone. So let's get started. To draw this zombie ice cream, let's first start by drawing the middle scoop. So I'm going to come right here and I'm just going to draw a curve for our middle scoop of ice cream. So I'm just going to go up, and you can wobble as you go, it doesn't really matter. And we're just going to start to go around, wobble a little bit here and there. Just have fun with this drawing. There's no right or wrong way to draw this. Okay, so from there, kind of have this curve, and then I'm going to start to draw the drizzle that comes down. So I hope this drawing here inspires you to come up with your own zombie ice cream. So I'm just going to start to drizzle back and forth, sometimes longer, sometimes shorter, smaller, and I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. So right here, I'm just going to draw a really long drizzle. So I have this basic shape for my first middle scoop. And then about right here, I'm going to draw some throw up from the top scoop. So about right here, I'm just going to draw some drizzle that comes down. So it comes in about right there. Okay, so then from there now I can start to work on the face. I'm just going to come right here, draw a circle for the eye. And come in here with another circle. And I'll give it a little highlight right there and shade this in. And come over here. And just draw some curves around the eye. You can darken it in if you want. And let's draw some veins that come out if you like. And for this eye, I decided to just make it an X, so I'm just going to come right next to it and draw an X. And then I'm just going to come in here and thicken it up. And for the mouth, I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. It comes down. And let's go ahead and connect it. And add some teeth inside. And jagged tooth. And go ahead and just shade this all in. There. Okay, so then from there, let's come over here. We're going to draw the top scoop. So in this area, I'm just going to go ahead and start to wobble and go around. Go up, and we're just going to start to draw our scoop right here. And before I go to the top, because I know there's an eyeball right here that's kind of like my cherry on top, I'm going to stop right there and just imagine a curve coming through, and say about right here. I'm just going to come back down. But if you're using a pencil, go ahead and finish that curve. So about right there, I'm just going to curve it in. And then in this area, I'm going to draw a curve that comes right over the throw up. And I'm going to shade this part in so you can see it a little bit better. Okay, and then let's come up here, and in this area I'm going to draw an eyeball. So I'll just come about right here, and this is going to be the gooey stuff that connects to the eyeball. So it's just more kind of like drizzle. And then right here I'm going to go ahead and draw a circle. And let's finish our curve. And let's come in here, we're going to draw another circle for the inside. And another one. And I'm just going to come in here and draw another circle right here for like a highlight on both sides. And let's see here. Okay, so now for this face, let's come up here. I'm going to draw some slanted hollow eyes. And same thing over here. Going the other way. And then in between, two little nostrils. Maybe some things in the ice cream. Sprinkles. Things that pop out of the ice cream. It's all up to you. Just hopefully this inspires you. And some stuff in the throw up, of course. Okay, so from there I'm going to, oh, I almost forgot. Right here I'm going to add some worms, I guess maggots, on this part right here. Gotta have some maggots, right, for some sprinkles. And just add some curves. Make it look like worms. There. Okay, now right here I'm just going to add a bone that sticks out. And now the third scoop. So we're just going to make sure we're still level because it needs to sit on a cone. So about right here I'll come out. Just make sure I'm pretty level still. So about right here. Okay, so now I can go ahead and drizzle again. And I'm going to come down. So back and forth, we're going to work on this side too. And there I'm going to start to, once again, go up and down. There. Okay, so for this scoop, let's come right here, draw a circle. I'm going to put a little dot right here, add some lines under the eye, and on this side, maybe a taller, more ovalish circle, another dot, and some more lines under the eye, and a little mouth. Curves, and then let's draw something that's coming out of the mouth. And I'm just going to go ahead and shade this in so you can see it better. And if you want, you can add 2 little nostrils. Some lines over the eye. And right here I'm going to add some worms coming out. So I'll start with a curve. Kind of goes like this. And let's start with our first worm. Nice and long. And another one. I hope I'm not going too fast. If I am, please just pause the video. So I'm just going to come in here and create a space and shade it in for where the worms are coming out of. And then don't forget to put in the curves to make it look like worms. Okay, so finally now the cone. So about right here, just making sure it's nice and centered. So about right here and here. So, okay, so then from there, I'm going to come in this area. I'm just going to draw one drip that comes off of our cone. Keep coming down. So our center is still going to be about here. And so about right here, if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and finish your cone. But I'm going to stop right here because I'm going to make a little crack in our cone right here, where maybe some brain or something's popping out. And continue our cone. And as we come to the bottom, maybe there's another crack with some more stuff oozing out. And you come in here and let's see here, add some details. There. And maybe some more drizzle, stuff that's oozing out or dripping. And here. And let's draw some lines for our cone. And you can make maybe some stitch marks here and there, some cracks here and there. So there, that's pretty much it for my zombie ice cream, and I really hope this drawing inspires you and you have fun drawing it. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.